Hello and welcome to English Story TV, the YouTube channel and podcast that is designed to help you improve your English. I'm your host, Emily, and today's video is about bees and honey, a topic that's not only fascinating but also incredibly important for our environment. Let's start by talking about bees themselves. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants. They are known for their role in pollination, and in the case of the best-known bee species, the European honeybee, for producing honey. Bees are a monophyletic lineage within the superfamily Apoidea, presently considered as a clade anthophila. There are nearly 20,000 known species of bees in 7 recognized biological families. Bees are adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen, the former primarily as an energy source and the latter primarily for protein and other nutrients. Most pollen is used as food for larvae. Bee pollination is essential for the production of a variety of fruits and vegetables, and they are known as one of nature's most industrious workers because of their role in the environment and agriculture. Now let's dive into the world of honeybees. Honeybees live in well-organized colonies that do not hibernate. You might find it interesting to know that these colonies are perennial, surviving year after year. Their colonies are made up of a single queen, many workers who are female but not reproductive, and during the spring and summer months, drones, which are males that have no stingers. Honeybees are super fascinating when you think about their roles. The queen's only job is to lay eggs. Meanwhile, the workers, who are all female, handle everything else, from cleaning and defending the hive to gathering pollen and nectar to feed the colony. Speaking of hives, bees make hives to store honey and nurture their young. These hives can be in hollow trees, crevices, or beekeepers' boxes. Let's talk about how bees make honey, which is quite a remarkable process. Bees collect nectar from flowers using their long, tube-shaped tongues and store it in their extra stomach or honey stomach. Back at the hive, they pass the nectar through their mouths to other bees by regurgitating the liquid into the mouths of other bees. This process is repeated until the partially digested nectar is finally deposited into a honeycomb. Isn't that amazing? Furthermore, the honey isn't ready yet after it's deposited into the honeycomb. Bees use their wings to fan the liquid nectar, which helps water evaporate from it, thickening the substance into honey. Once most of the water has evaporated, the honey is stored and the bees seal the honeycomb with a secretion of liquid from their abdomen, which hardens into beeswax. And voila, that's how honey is made. Beyond their fascinating biology and contribution to food supplies, bees are also cultural symbols in many human societies. In some cultures, bees are symbols of diligence and tireless effort. Others view them as messengers of the gods or as beings that bridge the natural world to the supernatural. But it's not all sweet like honey in the world of bees. Bees face huge challenges, including habitat loss, climate change, pesticides, and diseases. These threats not only affect bees, but also the broader environmental landscapes that depend on them for pollination. This is why many conservationists are working tirelessly to protect bees and their natural habitats. Efforts include planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing pesticide use, and supporting organic farming practices that are more harmonious with nature. Now, why should we care about bees? Simply put, without bees we would face a drastic decline in the amount of food available. Many plants depend entirely on bees for pollination, so no bees might mean no more fruits or vegetables. It sounds quite serious, doesn't it? I hope you found this episode interesting and that it's given you plenty of food for thought about bees and honey. They really are remarkable creatures, and they play such an important role in our world. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to leave a comment down below. See you next time.